Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make your first booking. Go to maersk.com to initiate your booking. Log in to your maersk.com account. Next, head to the top menu and click Book, then select New Booking. You can choose whether you are importing or exporting, and your origin and destination. Use the port or pin icons next to each city to choose the following options. Door to door, where Maersk will pick up or deliver the container to or from your facility. Port to port, where you arrange delivery to or from the port or inland container facility yourself, or a mix of the two. Then add how many containers you need and your departure date and hit Search. Here you can choose your preferred route option from the list available, with dates, prices, and fee breakdowns. We'll select this one. Now you can review and add any additional services that are available for your route, like customs clearance and value protect. If you have selected Delivery to Door at either end of your booking, then you will need to enter the pickup or drop-off address of your cargo on this page. Then fill out your pickup date and time. Next, you need to fill out the details of your cargo, or you can give us the basics and ask your supplier to fill out the rest if you're importing. The final step before you confirm is to add the contact details of your partner, buyer if you're exporting, supplier if you're importing. We'll save the details for you for next time. Now you can review all details of your booking and make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, accept the terms by checking the box to confirm the booking. That's it. You're all done for now. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. Thanks for watching. Follow us on LinkedIn to stay ahead of your logistics journey.